Good morning, student. Welcome once again in our Standard 7 Mathematics lesson number 15, Visualizing Solid Shapes. In last sessions, we completed introductions of the lesson, and now today we are moving for the textbook exercise solutions. My dear student, before starting our today's sessions, let's do a silent prayer and ready with your stationaries. Okay, very good, beta. Thank you. All of you ready with our exercise 15.1. The questions are on your screen. Here are the questions for exercise 15.1, standard 7, mathematics. Exercise 15.1, question number 1. Identify the nets which can be used to make cubes. Cut out copies of the nets and try it. Here are the questions we should have to check out. We are going to make a cube. Do you know what is a cube, beta? Anyone is knowing what is a cube? Yes, the cube is like this way, beta. See, this is the cube. Sorry, here is the cube. Can you draw it like this way, beta? Yes, in last session I showed how to draw this cube, isn't it? Here are the faces. I can write with the different color. This is the cube picture, beta. This is first face, second face, back side is third, this side is fourth, and down side is fifth, and top side is sixth. 6 faces it has, isn't it? When you open it, whatever the things you are going to open, suppose you are opening this one, this side, so it will become like this way. A square, yes, beta, and then after you are opening like this way. 2 square. This is the downside. Yes, beta, correct. Fifth one is here, and this is the first one will come over here, and then after this one is the sixth one, and one more, third one. This is the way it is showing. I am like that. But now only 2 are left. That's a 2 will be coming like this way, and that is a fourth will go in this direction. Isn't it? So these are the squares you are opening on this direction. If you are opening in other direction, the number will change. Check out the all numbers are there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 spaces are there. Isn't it? Clear? Okay, let's recheck it. The answer is right or wrong. So here 6 options are given. How many can be possible? There are some nets. Nets means a skeleton view of the solid shapes, which gives an idea how to open. Is it possible for first one? Is it in a square? Sorry, cube? No. Let's check. 1, it will be open on this direction fully, and then after that direction. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student, when we reopen on this way, it is possible. So this is the right one, this is also possible, and this is also. Second, fourth and sixth will be the answer. Look at the question number 2. Sorry. Question number 2 is on your screen. Read the question, beta. Yes, correct. Very nice. Good. Have you seen these types of things? Whatever given on the right side picture? Yes, it is a dice. D-I-C-E, dice. Dice are cubes with dots on each face. Opposite faces of a die always have a total of 7 dots on them. Can you understand what is telling to us? Yes, my dear student, suppose this side you are seeing it's a 5 dots. So its opposite back side should be 2. Look at here, there is a 1 dot, then opposite direction is a 6 dots. Addition of this both dots should be or must be is a 7. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student, that is right. Now, here are 2 nets to make dice or cube. The numbers inserted in each square indicate the number of dots in the box. My dear student, here you can find out the questions with a practical base. You are having a dice when you are playing a ludo or a snake ladders. You are using these types of things number of times. Okay, now look at here, my dear student, the answers for this question we are going to solve with the nets. Nets means nothing. You should have to prepare one dice with the help of paper or card sheet, and then after put the dots according to this one by the rule of 7 dots. Is it better? Yes. Now opposite of 4, downside should be 3. When you open it, you are having two options like this way: 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Is it? Insert. Yes, my dear student. Insert suitable numbers in the blanks, remembering that the number on the opposite faces should total 7. So 1, 3, 2. Very good, beta. Then after 4, 5, 6. This is the one way. Second way also you can find out opposites are always 7. See, first 1 and then 6 is downside, 5 and then middle part is a 7, and 3 plus 4 will give you a 7. See, 1 and 6. When you fold it like this way, it will come exactly opposite. Same way, when you fold it like this way from here, 5 and 2 will come together, and 4 and 3 will come. 4 will come on top and 3 will remain the downside. As it is, when you arrange the 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6 also like that way, you should have to give the numbers and reopen a dice. Is it better? Clear? Anyone has doubt regarding this one? No. It is so simple. Is it? Let's check. Look at what is given here. What I explained, it's the same thing. Sorry, today I am feeling a little bit cold. And you also take care. See, 5 and 2, 7. 4 and 3 also become 7. Is it? Same way, 6 and 1 will make you a 7. And in a dice, there is a perfect rule to add both the numbers should be 7. Okay, my dear student, that is the right point. These exercises are very easy, just for fun. You have to understand. Is it? And get a clear logic or an idea how it will become, or you can say three-dimensional shapes, solid shapes, not only shapes. It's a solid shapes. Why? Because it occupies space in the given atmosphere. Same way, the second way also you can go through it. It will give a 7. Can this be a net for a die? Explain your answer. No, this cannot be a net for a die. Why? Because one pair of opposite faces will have 1 and 4 on them, and another pair of opposite faces will have 3 and 6 on them, whose total is not equal to 7. Is it or not? Suppose you can fold 1 on 2, then after fold 3, and then after you can turn on the 4 opposite to 1. Same way, on the top side also you are having the problem. You cannot make it a total 7. That's why this answer we can say not a perfect dice. Is it better? Yes, look at here. You can make these types of paper cutting, write down the name, numbers, and then after fold according to the line. You will not get a perfect dice, because perfect dice opposite faces total should be 7. Isn't it? Here it is not equal to 7 for two way, 1 and 4 and 3 and 6. 1 and 4 will give you a 5, 3 and 6 give you a 9. Look at here, question number 4. Yes, here is an incomplete net for making a cube. Complete it in at least 2 different ways. Remember that a cube has 6 faces. How many faces are there in the net here? Give 2 separate diagrams. If you like, you may use a separate square sheets for each manipulations. Yes, my dear student, here you are having a 3 squares. You are having 2 options to make a cube. There are 2 ways to make a cube with the help of given these 3 squares in a straight line. Suppose we can take 3 more faces like that way. First one is it here, because this one is given already, so we can arrange in this way. Then and then only it will be possible for a cube. Cube is like this way, my dear student. Once again I am drawing here. You can get an idea how to make the cube, because cube have all equal lengths. Isn't it? Correct. So this is a cube. Isn't it become a like it? My cube is not become so good. I am drawing once again. Isn't it? I am trying myself because my pen and that the things are not in proportion. Isn't it? Correct. 1, 2, join this line, this line, this line and this line. Isn't it? Now it will become a cube. Suppose there are the 3 ways are there. Reopen this way, this way. Isn't it? Or when you see it, these full things are together, then after reopen this fourth part. Isn't it here? Yes. Or you can go through, first open this 3 part and then after 1 part here, 1 part here. Isn't it? So this method also will give you a net of a cube according to our question number 4. Okay, so dotted lines shows you the things were given in the questions and 3 more faces we need to arrange to become a perfect net of the cube. Isn't it? Otherwise it is not possible, because 3 squares are already given in the question. Good. Now reopen it like that way, what I just said, with the help of a drawing of violet color, and here is the red color. Question number 5. It's a very good question, my dear student. We already completed in our introduction session. First is a cube, second one is a cylinder, third one is a cone, cube, cylinder, cone and a pyramid. When you open it, you just say what is the answer for cube. Can you find out from the right side? It is a part or B part. You can say A and B. You should have to find out answer from B part. So B part having first is a diamond shape, second is a square, third one is a circle and a rectangle, last one is like as a triangle and one circle. For cube, you are right, my dear student. This is the answer A. Isn't it? Correct. This is the answer A. What about the cylinder? Yes, cylinder having the 2 circles, top side and bottom side, and here you can find a circle B. Have you seen beta? Yes, correct. For cone में आप क्या करेंगे बेटा? If you cut the piece of paper like this way and fold it, you will get a cone, a ulta cone. Or yes, you can say the birthday cap. Isn't it birthday cap? Yes, right, my dear students. And in the match the following, we are very lucky to get the final answer without doing any thinking or calculations. So whatever the remaining is the D. Isn't it? Some students are writing like this way, some are using the arrows, some are using the lines, or some are using here numbers also. This is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, and this is the first one. Isn't it? So all the way I gave the answers. You got clear idea how to make the nets according to appropriate solids. Isn't it better? Yes, first one is this second answer is B, third answer is B, fourth answer is C, and D is the first answer. when you open it, it will give you one circle and one triangle shapes, not an exact triangle, but you can see like that way. And at last, four triangles and between square and between square. So here are the answers for the things where you can get it. Exercise 15.3, question number 1. My dear student, two numbers, you can try yourself. Here is the question 1 of the exercise 15.3. What cross sections do you get when you give a vertical cut, horizontal cut to the following solids? A bricks. B, a round apple. C, a die. D, a circular pipe. E, an ice cream cone. You are having 5 objects which are cutting by cross sections. What you can get? Yes, I already said in our introduction sessions, a kitchen cut. When you cut any vegetable, you can see the different shapes are getting. When you cut an apple, you have a round shape. Cut an potato, a round shape. Cut an lady's finger, it's a like a cylindrical shapes. Is it or not? Like a cucumber, it's also a cylindrical shapes. So when you are cutting the things, you are having a proper idea. Isn't it better? Correct. Now look at here for the first question, a brick. Have you seen the brick? It's a cube or cuboid. Yes, it's a cuboid. My dear student, a shape of the brick is a cuboid. Have you seen this one, cuboid? Beta? See, I am trying to draw, then after I will show you how it will come. Isn't it? Yes. So cuboid is like this way, beta, or and bricks you can see like this way. Isn't it? This is the way you can see it, a cuboid or a bricks, small bricks or big bricks. Okay, now we are having a two type of cut, horizontal and a vertical cut. Horizontal and a vertical cut. Here is a brick, shape of the brick is like this way. When we cut vertically, that means straight. खड़े से काट देंगे ऐसे vertically. Okay बेटा? When you cut it out like this way, vertically, you are having a one pictures. Isn't it? Cut it here like this way. You are having two parts. Yes, my dear students, both are like as a cuboid. But when you cut it with the horizontal way, means बीच में से ऐसे काट दिया, what you will find it here? You will find it here like this way, two equal shapes of the bricks, but their thickness is very thin, like as a round apple. Round apple, when you cut it from the middle like this way, you are having both the part A and B like this way, apple. But when you cut it on this way, you are having the top side is different and bottom side is also different. So look alike, here is a look alike. Same way a die or a dice, you are going to cut it. When you will cut it, you will find exactly vertically and horizontally. At last, a circular pipe. Circular pipe is nothing but you are having the water pipe at home or any type of pipe. When you cut it in the horizontal way, you will find two types, and when you cut it two types, then after vertically and horizontally, both the things are different. Isn't it better? Correct. Now you can find out the things are given here with a different way. So I once again repeat it. With a bricks, we'll cut it vertically by this way. You will find out the shapes of the both the part look alike this way. My dear student, horizontal cut is also possible. You can cut it, but two slices are there like as a bread. Yes, my dear student, you are right, correct. 100%. An apple also, sometimes when you see the apples are cutting in this way, or sometimes apples are cutting on this way. Apple remain apple, but the shapes different, you will get it. A die, don't cut die at home beta, because it is a plastic. If you want to make it a paper or card sheet, then after you can cut it, or just image what the things you are getting. Yes, my dear student, it is a right one. top part and bottom part. Cylindrical shapes are also cutting vertically as well as horizontally. And you should have to cut in equal parts. Be careful, students, when you are cutting it. Don't try to cut one small or one big part, because we are making a cut horizontally and vertically. Yes, my dear student, you make it a pipe vertically and then after cut it. If you cut it like this way, anything else? Yes, nowadays you can find a sugar cane. Yes, piece of sugar cane will be cut out this both way, either vertically or horizontally. You will get exact these types of things. And a sugar cane is also a cylinder, circular pipe type. Now look at here, E, an ice cream cone. Vertically it will cut like this way, both the parts are equal, but horizontally one is cylinder and one is again cone. So we can say by dividing this one, a vertically cut of some things are exact copies, or you can say whatever on the left side is the right side, and in horizontal whatever things are there, it's in different way. Okay, now look at here, shadow part of question 1 of exercise 15.4. My dear student, this is the last exercise of your textbook. Be careful, it is very clearly shown in this first question. Just read out the question. It's a bulb is kept burning just right above the following solids. Name the shapes of the shadows obtained in each case. Attempt to give a rough sketch of the shadow. You may try to experiment first and then answer these questions. A ball, a cylindrical pipe, a book. The lamp is always on the top side, and you have to give the shadow of these three things. Where you will get shadows, left side, right side or downside. Yes, you are right, my dear student. On the downside you will get the shape of this one is a cylinder like this shadow, or here you can find out a circle. Isn't it? This is an oval shape, but you are knowing circles idea. Isn't it or not? See, circles means exact ball circles, you will get it. Isn't it? Yes, right, my dear student. That is the right things. Now look at the answers about this first question. You are using a lamp here. If you are not having lamp nowadays, take the help of the torch or your mobile torch. In mobile having the torch, make it a dark room, or just take out one pipe, one ball, and then after a book, and hold it and just give the torch light. You will get shapes of the shadow, a ball, yes, a circle, cylindrical pipe, a line like that way, two lines, yes, a book also rectangle, a line or a rectangle and a circle. Cylindrical pipe have a thick line, a book has a rectangle, yes, it should be a rectangle, line means a rectangle only, thick line, is it? Correct. So this exercise makes you a clear idea of shadow. Imagine what is the answer of first one. Easy one? Correct. Question number 2. Here are the shadows of some 3D objects when seen under the lamp of the overhead projector. Identify the solids that match each shadow. There may be a multiple answer for these things. Students, be careful. Here you are having a different answers. Don't stick on a particular one answer. But when you can see a circle with pieces and a square, a triangle and a rectangle. So when you will put it, or you are having a projector in your classroom, sometimes when you are passing from the light of the projector, you can see your head will be shadowed on the screen of the projector, but it should be a dark color, a black color, isn't it? But when you can see your face, your friends can see the things of the projector on your face, not a perfect way, but the things you can get it, isn't it? So which objects we can keep it in front of the projectors? The result is here. You should have to identify what was the object. Circles are thus, you can say, a ball. You can say it's a ball. Why it's a ball? Because the shape of the answer is look like as a ball. Isn't it? Correct. My dear student, here you can see a circle, and when you put it a ball in front of a projector light, the shadow will be a circle. What about the square? Yes, for the square, that should be a so many things. Can you keep the chapati? Yes. A football? Yes. It dies round shape, and a plate also. Disc dice का बेटा disc. Yes. Okay. I made the mistake. Dice not but the dish आता है नाश्ते के डिश राउंड शेप में, और प्लेट थाली, गुजराती में उसको थाली बोलते हैं, बराबर बेटा? तो उसको हम रखेंगे. यस, सो सर करेक्ट आंसर बेटा. यू आर राइट माय डियर स्टूडेंट. बॉल ऑल्सो होगा, कोई भी बॉल होगा राउंड शेप वाला. इज इट? So shadow will be a circle. What about the square? So many things are the dice, square paper, sheet, cubicle magic box. You are having a chalk box also a square shaped. So many things are there. Not stick on particular one. Is it? Okay. But when I will get the triangle, yes, ice cream cone दिखाएंगे, birthday cake दिखाएंगे तो उसका shape भी आएगा triangle. Or any triangles you can take it. What about the rectangle? Yes, your geometry book, textbook, notebook, tablet. Yes, your mobile is also having these types of shapes. So I think you are having now clear idea about shadow. And more questions on your screen. Examine the following are true statements or not. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a rectangle. Second, the cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a hexagon. My dear student, cube, you are knowing what is a cube? Yes, cube shape should be like this way. Once again I am trying to draw and show you how to make a cube. Is it better? Yes, this is the cube. The shape of the cube is keeping in front of a one torch. Suppose this is my torch. It is giving the light from this side. Is it? And here you can get the picture of the answer. Sorry, I can take it with the different way. Is it? So you can get it only the answers for this one. So what will be the answer for first one? It should be a rectangle or not. Is it right or wrong? Both the answers you can got. First one may be a rectangle, because when you use it with the cross lines, it should be a little bit wider answers. Is it? But when you can use it for a hexagon, what is a hexagon, students? Hexagon means it has a six-sided figure. Is it that one given? No. Six-sided figure either this way or that way. Is it? This is the hexagonal, because hexagonal have 6 sides. A six-sided figure given by a dice. Dice means you are having that pasa. And shadow of this one will possible? Not possible. Shadow of the dice should be a square or should be a little bit rectangle part, because from cross में से आप करेंगे बेटा तो you may be having these types of shapes. Is it? Yes. 1 minute. Okay. Wait for a while. You can get the clear idea. Here we end up our first second term questions of lesson number 15. Question number 3, you are having the answers. Yes, my dear student, you are now completing your course. Thank you once again. Take care. Be safe at home. My dear student, complete your fair book, which are very, very helpful to you for an exams and for your next exams. Means a test also you can use it. Question with black pen, answer with blue pen, drawing with a pencil. Thank you once again, beta. All of you take care, stay at home, be safe. Thank you. Once again, thank you. Take care. Bye. Bye bye.